In this video, you'll learn how to unwrap Solana in your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you will successfully convert your wrap Solal back into SOL tokens. First, ensure that you have the Phantom wallet extension installed in your web browser. Once you have verified this, locate the Phantom browser extension icon, typically found in the upper right corner of your browser. Click on this icon to open your Phantom wallet. After opening the wallet, you will see your token list displayed on the main screen. In this list, look for wrap SOL, which is abbreviated as WSOL. The token list shows all the assets you currently hold, and it may take a moment to load if you have numerous tokens. Once you locate wrap SOL, click on it to open its details. This action will present you with specific information about the wrap SOL token, including the balance you hold and other transaction options. Next, look for the More option or the Options menu, usually represented by 3 dots or a similar icon. Click on this to reveal additional actions related to wrap SOL. From the drop-down menu, select Unwrap Sol. This will initiate the process of converting your wrapped SOL back into SOL. A confirmation prompt may appear requiring you to review the details before proceeding. Finally, you need to approve the transaction in Phantom. This step is crucial as it finalizes the unwrapping process. Once you approve, wait for the transaction to be processed. Depending on network conditions, this may take a few moments, so be patient as you see the confirmation message indicating the successful unwrapping of your tokens. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.